Hi students, welcome back to our class. Today I am going to do the remaining questions on page number 86. Question number 5. An isosceles triangle has to be made like this. The height should be 2 meters less than the base and the area of the triangle should be 12 square meters. What should be the length of its sides? Okay, here we have to find the length of its sides. ABC is an isosceles triangle with base AB and heights AD. Assume that let the base equal to x. Then what about its height? Yes, height is 2 less than the base, so it is equal to x minus 2. Area equal to half into b into h equal to 12. Okay, so half into base x into x minus 2 equal to 12. X into x minus 2 equal to 12 into 2, 24. Next we have to open the bracket. X square minus 2x equal to 24. Next step, we have to convert this into general form. That means x square minus 2x minus 24 equal to 0. Okay. Next, what is a? It is the coefficient of x square equal to 1. B is the coefficient of x and it is equal to minus 2. C is the constant term and it is equal to minus 24. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, next we have to put the values. Minus of minus 2. Okay, plus or minus root of minus 2 the whole square minus 4 into a is 1 in 1 into c minus 24 divided by 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Okay, next we have to simplify this. Minus of minus 2, it is equal to 2. Minus of minus 2 equal to 2 plus or minus root of minus 2 the whole square is 4. Minus into minus become positive plus 96 divided by 2. 2 into 1 is 2. That means 2 plus or minus 96 plus 4, 100. Root 100 divided by 2. That is equal to 2 plus or minus 10 by 2. So it is equal to 2 plus 10 by 2, comma 2 minus 10 by 2. Here we get 12 by 2. Okay, 10 plus 2, 12 by 2, comma minus 8 by 2. Minus 8 by 2 we neglect because x means the base. Base is always positive. Okay. 12 by 2 equal to 6. That means x, the base is equal to 6. Then what about the height? Yes. Height is equal to x minus 2. Okay, height is equal to x minus 2, that is equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4 meter. Next we have to find the equal sides of isosceles triangle ABC. AC and BC are the equal sides. We know that a line drawn from third vertex to opposite side of an isosceles triangle meets its midpoint. D is the midpoint, so AD equal to 3 and BD equal to 3. Height is equal to 4. In the right triangle ADC, AC means the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equal to base square plus altitude square. It is equal to 9 plus 16 equal to 25. Root 25 equal to 5 meter. Therefore, AC equal to BC equal to 5 meter. Next, question number 6. A 2.6 meter long rod leans against a wall. Its foot 1 meter from the wall. When the foot is moved a little away from the wall, its upper end slides the same length down. How much farther is the foot moved? Here, a 2.6 meter long rod leans against a wall. When the foot is moved a little away from the wall, its upper end slides down the same length. Okay. If x meter is moved a little away from the wall, then x meter slides down from the upper portion. First, we have to consider the triangle ABC. Is a right triangle. So, from this, we have to find the length of AC. Okay, AC means the altitude. Base is equal to 1 meter and the hypotenuse is the length of the rod and it is equal to 2.6 meter. So, in triangle ABC, height of the wall, AC, height of the wall, AC equal to root of hypotenuse square minus base square, that is 2.6 the whole square minus 1 square. 26 into 26 means 676. Okay, 2.6 square we have to find. So we need to find 26 into 26. 26 into 26 is 676. We have to put decimal after 2 points. So 6.76 minus 1 equal to root of 5.76 and it is equal to root of 576 equal to 24. Okay, so we get 2.4 meter. Next, in the right triangle ADE, we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. AD is the base and it is equal to 1 plus x the whole square plus altitude. Here the altitude is AE. AC is 2.4 minus x. Okay, 2.4 minus x the whole square equal to 2.6 the whole square. The same rod becomes the hypotenuse of this triangle also. So it is in the form a plus b the whole square. We have to expand this. 1 square plus 2x plus x square equal to 2.4 the whole square minus 2 into 2.4 into x plus x square equal to 6.76. So 1 square is 1 plus 2x plus x square plus 2.4 the whole square is 5.76 minus 2.4 into 2 is 4.8x plus x square equal to 6.76. So x square plus x square is 2x square. 2x minus 4.8x is minus 2.8x. 5.76 plus 1 equal to 6.76 equal to 6.76. So both the sides there are 6.76. We have to cancel each other. 2x square minus 2.8x equal to 0. 2x square equal to 2.8x. So from both sides we have to cancel x. Okay. 2x equal to 2.8. X equal to 2.8 divided by 2 equal to 1.4 meter. X means the distance moved and it is equal to 1.4 meter. Okay. Next, question number 2 on page number 91. Find the two numbers with sum 4 and product 2. We have to find two numbers with sum 4 and product 2. Let the first number be x. The sum of two numbers is equal to 4. So, first number plus second number is equal to 4. Therefore, x plus second number equal to 4. From this we get second number is equal to 4 minus x. Then their product x into 4 minus x is 2. Next we have to open the bracket. That means 4x minus x square equal to 2. So we have to arrange this equation. Minus x square plus 4x minus 2 equal to 0. Here the x square term is minus, so we have to convert into positive. So multiply this equation with minus. Okay, so it becomes x square minus 4x plus 2 equal to 0. So a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c equal to 2, and x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus of b is minus 4 plus or minus 4 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into 2 divided by 2. That is equal to minus of minus 4 is 4 plus or minus 16 minus 4 into 2 is 8. Minus 8 divided by 2. So it is equal to 4 plus or minus root 8 by 2 equal to 4 plus or minus 4 into 2 divided by 2. 4 plus or minus root 4 is 2. So 2 root 2 divided by 2. Okay. So from numerator and denominator 2 is common. 2 into 2 plus or minus root 2 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. We get 2 plus or minus root 2. Okay. So the number is 2 plus or minus root 2. Here we get two numbers, x equal to 2 plus root 2 and x equal to 2 minus root 2. If x equal to 2 plus root 2, then 4 minus x is 4 minus of 2 plus root 2. It is equal to 4 minus 2 minus root 2 equal to 2 minus root 2. If x equal to 2 minus root 2, then 4 minus x equal to 4 minus 2 minus root 2, and it is equal to 2 plus root 2. Now here is an activity for you to do. Question number 1 and question number 2 of page number 91. Okay. Thank you.